Again, I used several loops, several one-shots to combine them in something new. So here we have, like, you know, I built it from one-shots. Some reverbs here and there. Also, I used a lot this wave shaper. I think I talked about it last stream, but we'll say again, like, I use it a lot to make sounds a little bit more loud. So yeah, really like a long pattern. Then I added like main drums, like indie rock band drums. Gave it some reverb. And yeah, nowadays I really see how reverb can change the drums, how they appear in the track, because like 10 years ago or like 12 when I was producing my first albums, I wasn't used reverb on the drums. Like, I thought they just have to be, you know, super dry and doesn't need any reverb. But nowadays, like, I missed so much, so I try to put the drums in this certain environment, and I do it by putting reverb on it. It's really changed how they sound. So, you know, so for example, this loop sounded like that. Yeah, I used only this, you know, snares at the end. Then I processed them, you know, a little bit of transient shaper, wave shaper, limiter, reverb, and together they sound like that. Again, this one, let's check. This is original loop. Okay, let's see it, hear it without any processing. This is original loop. Then I put some delays and reverb, and used only this, you know, yeah, these drums. Toms, yeah, toms. Yeah, so I like them, these drums. Let me know if you want to see something in this project. If you want me to talk about anything in particular in this project, and if not, I will just check if there is something interesting here, and I think we will make a little pause, little break, like 5 or 7 minutes, and then we will start something from scratch. This is the bass sound. Again, Subwave. One for the bass, one octave higher, low pass filter. Okay, I've got a question about how I processed vocals in this track. So actually, let me check if I have another version of this track, because I see that there are some elements missing. I still don't have like a scheme or algorithm that I use for the vocal. Like anytime I process vocal, like anytime it's like a new process for me. I still use different approach every time. So here in this one, the actually sample is it's faux she. You can find it on Splice, and this is another example that you can use Splice for songs. Of course, it's not original. Anyone can use this same sample, but when I started this sketch, I really wanted to create the atmosphere, and this vocal fits perfectly, so that's cool. Let's see what I have here. So I will turn down.
I feel the attraction.
This is the original vocal.
I feel.
First of all, I have EQ. I cut the low frequencies.
I feel.
And the other equalizing I may it depends on the track, how you want to make the vocal sit in the track.
I feel
then I have a compressor.
I feel the attraction.
Quite heavy one.
Burning slowly, slowly.
Then delay.
Like a lit cigarette. Like a lit cigarette.
Then I think it's.
I feel the attraction.
I think maybe it's a chain, but I'm not sure.
I feel.
Then it goes to the bus.
I feel
Insert.
the attraction.
Another reverb.
Slowly, slowly, like a lit cigarette.
And also I clone, I send it vocal to another channel, and here I have chorus and flanger.
I feel.
Let me show you how it sounds.
I feel the attraction. I feel.
So it's like a super chorusy and white version of this vocal, and I kind of just mix it with the original vocal to give it more space, more depth.
I feel the attraction. Burning slowly.
Yeah, and also here and there I have, for example, here I have
Like a lit cigarette.
pseudo delay. I just send that piece to another channel and make phone EQ, cut all the high and low frequencies and put a delay on it. So
Like a lit cigarette. Like a lit cigarette.
because this was quite empty. Then on the chorus I put a little bit more effort.
Give me a sign.